Hello everyone, this video introduces the Polygon to Raster function in the vector conversion tool. This function can convert any feature class containing polygon features into a raster dataset. Note, the type of input field determines the type of the output raster. If the field is integer, the output raster will also be integer. If the field is floating point, the output raster will be floating point. To use this function, navigate to the toolbox under Data Management, Vector Conversion Tools, and find the Polygon to Raster tool. Double-click to open the function window. First, specify the polygon features to be converted into a raster. The value field is the field used to assign cell values to the output raster. It can be any numeric field in the attribute table of the input feature dataset. The cell assignment type is optional and determines the method for assigning values to cells when multiple features fall within a cell. Here, we select the cell center method, which means the attributes of the feature overlapping the cell center determine the value assigned to the cell. For detailed explanations of other methods, please refer to the help documentation. The priority field is used to determine which feature should take precedence over other features outside the cell. It can be used with any of the three cell assignment types. The cell size represents the cell size of the output raster being created. The noData value is used to specify the value for invalid areas in the raster. Finally, set the storage path and name for the output raster. If you check the Add Result to Project option, a layer for the result data will be automatically created and added to the project. After completing the settings, click OK to proceed. Open the raster window to display the converted raster file. Use the Pick Point tool to view the attribute information. That's all for the introduction to the Polygon to Raster function. Thank you for watching.